Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this simple flyer that's just showing on your screen right now. This JBL Headset flyer is what I'll be teaching you today. So make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel and allow notification because beautiful flyer will be coming to your way. Alright, so let's dive into today's project. So this is what I made. Okay, so I'll select the whole of this and I'll drag it and keep it to the left hand side to serve as my sample. Okay, so I can delete this. Then without wasting time, let's just get our text done. All right, so before you start designing, at least you start with your text. All right, so what we have here is coming soon on YouTube. All right, so I use Montserrat font, that's my brand font. So I'm gonna search for Montserrat. There's it, and I'll reduce the font to 6. I can choose to reduce it again. Holding my shift key, I'll drag it inward, and it's on title case. Alright, so we're just gonna make a title case. Alright, so we are going to be applying the font according to the way I made it on the previous preset or our sample here. So I'll click the headset, and here is the font I used for it. Alright, and it was on let me say uppercase. Okay, this is it. We have gotten that. So the both of them are gonna be on. This one is title case. Okay, this one should be T. The same font name. Yeah, this is it. Then break this apart. Control K on my keyboard to break it apart. Take it closer and uppercase. This is it. So this side is actually white and this is white, and this is what this color that is here, this cyan color. So this one is white all through. Okay, so this headset is actually a overlay color, and this JBL is just a logo. I'll start importing the all of them to my working space. So this is the JBL logo, and this is the speaker I use. This is the music icon I also use. So I'll import these 3 items right away and I'll start applying them. Okay, so this is it. So let's give our background a color. Alright, this is the color I use for the background. Alright, so this is it. I'll take this up. I'll increase this. You can see this thing is actually showing me a lot of blank space. It's taking up some space. So I can use my crop tool. I'll crop it out and strike enter key, and then I'll increase it the way I want it. Then this and this, I can just give it a color, give it a few color, reduce it, centralize it, holding my shift key with the background and striking letter C will just centralize it. Okay, so let's place this here, increase it, and I'll click on my eclipse tool. I'll zoom this out, click on eclipse tool, I'll drag my eclipse tool just this way to have this basement that is here. Alright, so this object that is here, I actually use extrude to make it out. So let's see how I do that. This is extrude tool. I'll click on this extrude, I'll click preset. I can actually click anything I want. Alright, so when this dialog box come out, I'll use this second one, and then can choose to bring this closer. I see it's like a cylinder right now. Okay, so what I want here, I just drag it closer and closer. So that's it. Now let's give it this color that is here. The upper color here is actually this one, right? Have you seen it? So it's like I've not gotten it very proper. Here is it. Then I'll go to this color and choose this, and I'll say I'll go to the down part, which is the white. I'll use my eyedropper to pick this color, or probably I can actually just click on this particular color and then give it a white color, the white box. I'll select this and for it to just blend. Alright, so doing that I have to off some color right here. Click this of this. Alright, I just off some color like the light bulb so that the thing will be able to pop up. Alright, so that's it. I'll remove the outline. When I remove the outline, I can now say okay, I'll take my object to where it belongs. So there's another thing I'm going to be adding, which is the overlay background effect. Alright, the overlay background effect is a background I downloaded from Pinterest. So I'll not be wasting time. Let me search for it. This is it. I'll import. I'll strike enter key to just put it down. So I'll hold my shift key to reduce it. You can see it's very big. Continue reducing it again. Then I have to make sure I bitmap every particular image I bring to my working space using RGB to allow the flow of any other color any color overlay or blend mode I'll be adding. Alright, so this is the color I want to use. This is the background. Okay, so let's play around with the blend mode. Let me see how this one goes. Okay, this is not bad. The thing here is what you can see, the light that is coming from the center. Alright, so this line, this is how I made it. I draw an eclipse tool here. After I drew the eclipse tool, I give it a cyan color and I'll bitmap it, remove the outline, use RGB, go on blur, and then Gaussian blur. I'll increase the blurriness or the pixels of the blur radius. Alright, so it will just be like this. Okay, so another thing I'll be doing is just I'll duplicate this. What I'll do is this is the image I blurred, so I'll just duplicate it. So you cannot see that the art light is not giving me what I want. I have to change the blend mode again. Say overlay. So this overlay is actually popping up, and I'll reduce it. Keep it here. I'll keep it inside the background. Yeah. So this is what I mean. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll make sure I align everything properly. Then this our basement, I'll clip it inside. I'll click on the eclipse tool. I'll see power clip when I right click my mouse. Power clip it inside the background. Alright. So the next time I'll be doing is the how is it called, the JBL Headset. So what I'll be doing is this. I'm going to change the blend mode actually. So I'll duplicate it. When I duplicate it, I'll bitmap it 300 dpi. Then change the blend mode to something close. Okay, I will say color dodge. Is that okay? Color dodge is also better. You can see it's adding some. It has added some color to the let's say the object already. I don't want to do exactly what's there. You know, I'm the one that do this one, so I prefer something that is more sharper than what I did before. Like that's why I enjoy working with my samples. Okay, so I've grouped this. Alright, and I'm going to increase it because there's still space here for me. I'll increase it. I'll take it this way, and I'll still increase it again. Then I'll clip it inside the background. Light effect that I added here is not actually what I want, so I'll be changing it to color dodge. Alright, so let me keep it this way. Something is behind it. Are you seeing this right now? So I will delete. I will change the blend mode. Is on overlay, so I will use color dodge for the first one. I'll increase it. Then I'll use the same color dodge for the second one. Is on normal, so I'll change it to color dodge again. So this is it. I'll select the two of them. I will strike letter E, letter C, and then group it, bring it down to my background, and let's see how it goes. Alright, then I have to place my headset here, and I'll do shift page up so that it will not really affect my object. So it's already affecting the base that is down, so all I have to do is just select it and do shift page up. Then I'll also do shift page up to the headset. This is exactly what I want, and then I can balance them and shift it to one edge. So let me choose the blend mode add. All right, so let me choose add. Okay, this one is cool. All right, I have to reduce the light in the background. It's affecting some things, so I can take it down this way like this. Okay, so as you can see, our design is already popping up. It's even more brilliant than the former one that I did. So what we are gonna do now is let's locate the music logos. All right, so this is the music sound and the one like this is actually the logo company I want to be adding on the design. So all I have to do is instead of me to be tracing this one by one, I'll just select a rectangle shape just like this, and then I'll use my shape tool and try to curve it around just like this is okay. All right, I'll use shift key and click the background. You can see that this thing is coming with white background. All right, so after shaping my shape tool like this on my rectangle tool to the shape I want it to be, I can now click shift key, hold the background to intersect it. This is our intersect command. After intersecting, I can now choose to delete the one I imported. Then this actually the shape I want, so I can remove the rectangle and reduce this and place it where I want it to be. So I don't want it to be so big, so I just have to reduce everything and place it under the word good music. So another thing we'll be doing is, can I see that when I check very well, there are a lot of overlays on the design already. So what we have to do is I have to import the music headset. Where the fuck is it? Okay, here is it. I have to import it again. So this time around I'll be using another blend mode to place it in the background. Alright, so this is the way I want it to be. I'll just bitmap it. I'll reduce the resolution because this one is actually a big size. Okay, so I'll go to my blend mode, transparency 2. So it's not actually popping. I have to change the blend mode again. Alright, to color dodge. Alright, so let's watch out how it's gonna be like. Okay, color dodge, color dodge, color dodge is too much. Do you know why? Because this background, like the light I added here, is affecting it too much. Let's see how we can off this color. I'll take it, reduce it. Okay, so I have reduced the light effect already. All I have to do is, this is the background that I changed the blend mode. Let me blur this background a little bit. Just click on bitmap, blur, Gaussian blur, then just make sure it's not too much. Okay, so let's try to darken the color of the background. Okay, something like this is okay. At least the headset is now popping up a little bit, and then the headset, I'm delisting the caption here is actually kind of big, so I'll just reduce it a little, just small. Okay, this is it, and I'll save my work. And as you can see, nothing much is remaining. We're actually 95% done. So let's change the blend mode of this music icon here. So the first one is bend actually like this. So all you have to be doing is just bend it this way. Okay, I'll bend it again, sorry. Bend it again like this, and then always make sure you bitmap objects you bring to CorelDRAW so that it has the full quality. All right, what we are going to be changing there is also blend mode, and we are going to be using saturation. Is it saturation? Sorry about that. Yeah, saturation, I got it. The saturation we are using, so the more the thing appears on the light part of it, the brighter the stuff. All right, the brighter the color of the music icon. So I'll double click here again and bend it a little bit this way. Okay, that's just that. And the biggest one is right here, which I'm gonna be increasing it like this. Okay, so I'll power clip it inside, power clip them inside. So without wasting time, this is the end of the tutorial. All right, so if you found this video helpful, make sure you like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button for more tutorials. All right, I'll be releasing a lot of free tutorials like this on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.